The key components and objectives of the Preamble. The Preamble of the Constitution of India is an introductory statement that briefly outlines the key components and objectives of the Constitution. It serves as a preamble to the Constitution and provides a broad framework for the functioning of the Indian polity. Here we explore the key components and objectives of the Preamble. The key components of the Preamble. We the people of India. The Preamble begins with the phrase, "We the people of India," emphasizing the democratic nature of the Constitution. It signifies that the power and authority of the Constitution originate from the citizens of India. Sovereign. The term sovereign signifies that India is an independent nation and is free from external control or influence. It highlights the self-governing nature of the country. Socialist. The term socialist emphasizes the commitment of the Indian state to achieve social and economic equality. It reflects the objective of reducing disparities and promoting social welfare. Secular. The term secular signifies that India is a secular nation that treats all religions impartially and ensures equal respect and freedom to individuals of all faiths. It promotes religious harmony and prevents the state from favoring any particular religion. Democratic. The term democratic signifies that the power lies with the people of India, who elect their representatives and participate in decision-making process. It underlines the commitment to a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Republic. The term republic signifies that India is a sovereign state with an elected head of state, that is the president, and a system where power is vested in the people through their elected representatives. Now let's see the key objectives of the Preamble. Justice. The Preamble aims to secure justice, which includes social, economic and political justice. It aspires to create a just society where individuals have equal opportunities and their rights are protected. Liberty. The Preamble seeks to safeguard individual liberty, ensuring freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. It emphasizes the importance of personal freedoms within the framework of law. Equality. The Preamble protects the principle of equality, aiming to eliminate social, economic and political inequalities. It promotes equal status and opportunities for all citizens, irrespective of caste, religion, gender or region. Fraternity. The Preamble emphasizes the spirit of brotherhood and mutual respect among the citizens. It seeks to foster unity and harmony, transcending individual differences and promoting a sense of belongingness to the nation. Dignity. Though not openly mentioned, the Preamble underscores the value of human dignity. It strives to protect and promote the dignity of individuals and ensure a life of respect and honor. Unity and integrity of the nation. The Preamble aims to maintain the unity and integrity of India despite its vast diversity. It seeks to support the nation's territorial integrity and promote a sense of shared identity among its citizens. To put it all together, the Preamble of the Constitution of India consists of key components that include the people, sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democracy and republic. Its objectives revolve around justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, dignity, and the unity and integrity of the nation. The Preamble acts as a guiding light for the interpretation and implementation of the Constitution, reflecting the aspirations and ideals of the Indian people.